Connecting a GoDaddy domain to WordPress involves setting up domain settings to point to your WordPress website. Here's a brief guide. Access GoDaddy account. Log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the domain section. Update DNS settings. Find the domain you want to connect to WordPress and access its DNS settings. Look for the DNS management or manage DNS option. Point to WordPress. If your WordPress site is hosted on WordPress.com, follow these steps. Go to your WordPress.com dashboard. Navigate to domains and select Add Domain. Follow the prompts to connect an existing domain. WordPress.com will provide you with specific DNS records to update in GoDaddy. If your WordPress site is self-hosted, obtain the IP address of your hosting server or the name servers provided by your hosting provider. Update the A record or name servers in the GoDaddy DNS settings to point to your WordPress hosting. Verify and propagate changes. Save the DNS changes in GoDaddy. DNS propagation may take up to 48 hours. Configure WordPress settings. Once DNS propagation is complete, configure your WordPress settings to recognize the domain. In WordPress, go to Settings, General, and update the WordPress address and site address to your domain.